Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to remove or replace AC compressor, air conditioning compressor on Ford Fiesta MK7. The other one should cover 2010 to 2017 model guys. We'll be demonstrating on ST, but the regular Fiesta will be very close procedure as well. What do you want to do first? Take it to a shop to have your system vacuumed down. It means that they're going to suck all the Freon and you will not have any pressure in it. Do not ever release the Freon in the air, because first it kills the ozone, second you can get a big fine for that. We will need to jack it up on this side, okay? And usually we have a jack stand. Never ever rely on the jack itself. Also on this side we have two tire chokes right here, so that way the car will not roll on us. And the AC compressor is on the bottom. You can actually see it through here. Okay, you can see this is right there, AC compressor. So what we are going to do now, there is one cover for the serpentine belt. Okay, we'll need to remove it. This one, it's only with 2 screws. Okay, with Torx 30. Okay, one is out, second one. You can pull that cover out, make sure the engine is cold, it's not hot. You can see we can get to the serpentine belt. We'll need to remove the belt so we can remove the compressor as well. Okay guys, so now we need to remove the belt, the serpentine belt. And what we need to do, you can access the tensioner with a 17mm socket from the bottom. Okay, let me see if I can show you. Okay, that's where the tensioner is. Okay, let me just show you quick. You can actually see it from the top too, right there. And okay, you need to go counterclockwise. The belt will get loose. It's really tight, by the way, that tensioner. Pull the belt out. Okay, like that. Never ever put your fingers under the belt, because if somebody drops the tensioner, it's going to pinch your finger. And you can see this thing on the bottom there, that's the AC compressor. Okay guys, so okay, right there now, there is 2 nuts with 13mm wrench. Okay, one right there. Okay, hopefully you can see the one on top of it. Those are the 2 nuts, okay, for the hoses. And we still have barely a little bit of pressure, and you always have, even if you vacuum down the system, you still have just a little bit. Okay, so we got those nuts loose. Okay, and now we'll take them off by hand. Once we remove the compressor, I'll show you better, because it's such a limited room on that little engine compartment that you cannot access almost anything. Okay, you can see this is one of the nuts coming off. Okay, and now the second one will come off there. Okay, this is the hose. Now let's get the bottom nut. Okay, this is the second nut, and the second hose will come out now. You have to be very careful not to get any dirt in the hoses. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now you don't have to do that, but it will be easier to access the bolts for the AC, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that line here. Okay, and you just have the same nut on the compressor that you have the 2 lines going in the compressor. Remember those 2 nuts that we removed, it's just the same design. Now we have to pull it out, okay, and there will be some oil, okay, coming out, and I'll go ahead and try to remove it going down like that. And you can see this is that line that we just removed. So now we can access the bolts for the AC compressor a little bit easier. Now on the front, there is one wire. Okay, let me show you. Now, this is the wire for the clutch. Okay, bear with me. Okay, this wire. So, how you guys do that? Okay, there is one tooth. Okay, I cannot twist it on this side, but there is a tooth right here where my index finger is. Push it in and pull out. This is the wire for the clutch there. So there is one bolt. Okay, you cannot do it here. You can access it from right here. Okay, or one person on the bottom and you just hold the ratchet for them. Okay, and we just broke it loose with the ratchet and I'm trying to get it loose by hand now. So I got the bolt loose. Okay, you can see it's right here. Okay, this is the bolt. You have to be very careful not to break that line because it's very fragile. Pretty long bolt. Okay, now we're underneath the car. You can see we're removing that bolt and there is one more next to it after that. Okay, it's almost out. Perfect, now we have one more. Okay, next to it, I'm trying to focus here to show you where it is. You have to hold the compressor now, because it will drop. Okay, now we have to grab it really good. And we'll gently pull it down. Okay guys, and that's how you remove the compressor. Now, remember that top bolt, okay, was right here. This is an empty one, this is not a bolt, this is just an empty hole for another engine, I believe. So one bolt here, two on the bottom. This is the wire for the AC clutch, and this is where the two 13mm nuts were for the AC lines. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to remove or replace AC compressor, air conditioning compressor on Ford Fiesta MK7. That one should come